there, Chef Jeff here at White Apron Catering in Lake Worth. Today we're going to do one of our good old standbys here. We're going to do some Brussels sprouts. Everybody loves Brussels sprouts. This is just another way to do them. We're going to do some braised Brussels sprouts. Got a little bacon and apples with it too. Great for just about anything. I'm using some bacon. I've got some pecan wood bacon. For the apples, on this particular one, I like the dried apples. I just get some dried apple rings and we're just going to slice them up. So let's go ahead and get things rolling. We've got our Brussels sprouts and we're going to clean those up. I think we've done these before, but just to give you a little refresher, just nip the ends off. And then we're going to throw them right in a little bowl. And I'll show you a quick, easy way to get those all cleaned up and ready to go. Now, this is sort of a cheater way. It's going to save you a lot of time and effort, and it's a lot easier. So what you do is once you get the ends nipped off, just missed one. Once you get the ends nipped off, get a second bowl, and we're just going to give them a shake. It's a little loud, but that's all right. That's kind of fun too. So you just give them a good couple shakes. And really, it knocks all the loose leaves off. And then all you got to do is you just pick them out, or you can pick the leaves out. But you just pick them out, and it leaves all the leaves there in the bottom. You could, if you were doing Brussels sprout slaw or something like that with it, you wouldn't need to do this so much. You could just pick any of the loose brown ones off, but this will get you down to these. If you wanted to cut them in half, you could. I like them whole, especially unless they're real big. If they're real big, you want to go ahead and cut them down, but these are nice, tender young ones, so we're going to use them just like they are. So we got those. Like I said, you're left with some leaves. You want to save these for a soup or something. Be all you can be. So we've got that. So we've got our Brussels sprouts ready. And we've got some apples. And I'm just going to give these a little quick, not really julienne, but just a little, just cut them up like that. And we'll get all our little mise en place done. Get everything set so it'll be ready to go. Same thing with some onions. I've just cut it in half, and we are going to just give these a little quick julienne. So we've got some onions, some dried apples. I've got a little caraway seeds. And then we've got a little bacon. And like I said, use whatever your favorite kind of bacon is. I use this little thick cut. It's a pecan wood smoked bacon, but that's just mine. And I'm just going to, again, just give this a little julienne. And then we're going to start the bacon, and we're going to crisp that up. And once that gets crisped up, we'll leave the bacon fat in there for the flavor as well as the bacon. And then we'll add the onions and apples and Brussels sprouts and get that all going. The only other things we're going to need is I got a little bit of a little chicken stock here. You could use veggie stock if you like, and a little butter, of course some salt and pepper, and a little blended olive oil to get it started. So I'm going to get this bacon going, and then we'll get that crisped up, and we'll start adding everything else. All right, we've got our bacon all nice and crispy. We're going to add a little bit of the onions to that. And we'll let the onions get a little started. And once those soften up just a minute, then we'll add in our Brussels sprouts and our bacon. Our Brussels sprouts and our apples. So see how they're starting to get a little translucent and nice? We'll add some of the apples in. Okay. And then a little sprinkle of some of the caraway seeds. And I don't know why. I think I like the caraway seeds with the Brussels sprouts. It seems like it gives it little. We're also going to do a little touch of some chicken stock. And then I like a little rice wine vinegar. Again, I think a little vinegar of some sort whenever you're using the greens really makes it go. We're going to do a little salt and pepper. Give them a little stir. And then just cover them up. They're going to need to go for about 5 or 10 minutes, 5 to 8 minutes, just till they're sort of soft. You still want them, you don't want them all the way mushy, a little al dente, but to where they soften up. All right, let's check on these things, see how they're doing. Oh, look at that, beautiful. All right, and then we're just going to finish these with a little touch of butter. Because everything's better with a little butter. And they've soaked up a lot of that juice. It's soaked in there. And there we have it. So let's go and see what we got with that. We've got some braised Brussels sprouts with bacon and apples. Chef Jeff here at White Apron Catering. Hope you enjoy that. Let me know what you think, and like and subscribe. Let me know. All right, thanks.